How to uninstall updates of installed Android apps. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to uninstall updates on Android apps. Without further ado, let's get started. Open settings on your device, scroll down until you see Apps, then tap on it. Now select Manage Apps. Scroll through the list of all the apps and find the app for which you want to uninstall the updates. For example, I want to uninstall update for Chrome. Tap on it. At the very bottom, you will see a button labeled Uninstall Updates. Please note that not all apps allow you to remove updates manually, so you may not find this button in every app. If the Uninstall Updates button is available, then tap on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure about uninstalling updates. I recommend not to uninstall updates, as updates often make apps more stable by fixing bugs and introducing the latest features. If you want to stay up to date and enjoy a smoother user experience, it's better to keep the updates. However, if you are sure about uninstalling updates, then tap OK. And boom! You have successfully uninstalled updates on an Android app. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.